Hello everyone, in this video tutorial we explain how to install the Brave browser on a Linux Ubuntu computer. So let's immediately start. Let's click here and let's search for terminal. Before you try to install any program on a Linux Ubuntu, make sure that your system is up to date. To do that, we need to execute these two commands as a single command. Then enter your super user password and be patient. Next, we need to install curl. To do that, we need to execute this command. And finally, the Brave browser can be installed by using a single command. And press enter. And this will install the Brave browser. Let's test the installation. Let's test the installation of Brave. To do that, click here and over here search for Brave, and you should see the Brave button. Click on it and the Brave browser will start. So let's open Google and let's search, for example, for something like this. And let's see, will it work? Let's click here and it works. Okay, that's all for today and thanks for watching.